What's up, y'all? How's it going? Today we are about to install this LT, no, this goddamn cabinet. Vasagle. We about to install this vasagle. Alright, y'all. So if you order this, you get these bags that has the numbers on it. This one has number 1. Where's the 1? 1 and 3. So this part is the A. This is the one that just goes in the bottom with the holes. You see what the holes are? So you go, there's a line right here. So put two threes at the back, 2 3s at the front, and then two ones. Alright, these are the threes, the metal ones. You gotta screw them in. All I'm using is this, really. It's a little screwdriver. Man, I wish they had like sent some tools at least. And then now we're gonna just put these in. Oh wow. I don't know why, but they look like they're gonna break like any second. So now we're about to put 2 ones in. And these you just stick them in. The only thing you have to screw is a 3s. So boom boom. Just like that. And now now all these have, as you can see, all these have labels. This one is D. And if you go by the instructions too, it's pretty simple so far. So D is going to the outer left. Boom, D's on the outside, bow. Just like this. Ooh. Okay. Oh, I put this on the outside. So when you guys putting this, make sure the D's on the inside. No homo. You know, you always gotta put the D on the inside. And it'll get you that enzyme with that. Real fine. One. Kapow. And now we about to look for C. C again, everything on the inside. See, everything just fits, and now it's just wiggly. But as y'all can see, this is the setup right now. And these are the other parts. We only have 2, 3, 4, 6. Only 6 parts left, y'all. Light work. Now on to the next one. Now on to step number 3. Actually, I need to twist as you guys see here. There's your step number 3. See, I need to twist that thing. So I need 4 of those pieces. Man, hey yo, if any of y'all wanna get a nice carpet, this carpet is so awesome, it's so soft. I'm telling you. But let's get back to business. So as y'all can see, these holes right here, right? These little holes, and you're gonna use number 4. Alright, number 4. So trying to put a little bit lights in this one. Ooh, I'm telling you, this carpet is so soft. But as you can see, I am building up my house right now. My guest apartment. House apartment. But yeah, see, these I'm using number 4. No, that's number 2. I'm sorry. But I'm using number 4. I can't find the bag right now. But yeah, I know. Number 4. You screw these bad boy on. All you gotta do is really push it in for now, but screw it in later. Just don't forget, you know, before your shelf and stuff just falls on you. There you go, just like that. And you only need to do like 2 screws. I mean 2 right handed. Wow. Same thing for the underside. I ain't gonna lie, I've been trying to. So yay. Oh yay. Oh yay. Yeah. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, people. Lefty loosey. Loosey toosey. I kind of like some of these raps, you know. Look at that, it's more sturdier now, yo. So this pretty much latch on to the 2 3s you have back there, to the 2 screws. That's like this one. You're just pushing against it now. It's more sturdy. So now we're on to step 4. Now, oh, I just got this too, but we gotta let it charge right now, and I'm gonna try to do a video on it. But next step is this. All right, you got these 2. Bow. Who's that creeping in my window? Who's that creeping in my window? No, I'm just playing. So these 2 right here, as y'all can see, this black part. So the black part goes on the inside, y'all. Goes on the inside with the inside. Okay, I'm gonna put y'all down real quick and put this black part on. The only thing is, I don't think it matters which so there's gonna be, as y'all can see right here, these little holes. Everything is just straight. You just put it down, boom boom. It's like a puzzle. You just puzzle. Just lay down on them. Bow. So now it looks like a chicken coop. As you can see, baby chicken's gonna get out. No, I'm lying. So now, as you can see from the photogration, so we about to do step 5, people. Step 5. And now we about to get the big B. Big B's. big B's only. And put this bad boy on top. On top. On top. On top. I don't know if it matters which side I put it on, but usually it does. Okay, so easy way to figure out which side you put it on. As I can see, the hole is right there. Like I said, puzzle. Figure out the pieces that match and then bang bang. Make sure it actually sticks in though. Make sure it actually sticks in. I can see up there. Probably can't see too well, but make sure it sticks in. Here's the battery right now for this bike, but we charging right now. Oh, why didn't I put it right here? It looks better. Alright, so I'm just gonna try to stick it in. You know, we always gotta stick it in. Boom. It falls right into place, yo. Oh, that's how tall it's about to be? No lie, I thought it was gonna be a little bit taller. Maybe when we finish, it's gonna look taller, cause I'm planning to buy a TV. You gotta go bow. So now, once you finish these, you grab the tools. Grab the tools, the long screws. So don't get loose. You grab the long screws with the long tools. Make a bitch go. I hope y'all didn't hear that, but dang. Okay, so for the this sent you, as you can see, these two little tools and 11 and 10. Now you just find the one that match for these, and it is this one. This one is bigger. Okay. So smallest one for these screws, as you can see. Right? You just stick them on top. You just stick them on top. If you can see me, stick them on top. Stick them on top. Now, first, what I do is I screw them by hands first, so you at least get that, nice little stabilization. It's better, so that way you don't, especially if you're using your hands to hold it and you had a hammer, you would just hit your head. So out of habit, just start doing it like this. That's all you need to do, pre-plan. Bow, just like this. We're setting up a shelf today. See, I gotta keep cleaning these, make sure they don't get anywhere, especially on this carpet. I'm like a little clean freak sometimes. Okay. Now, best way to do this, if y'all never done this, hold it like this so you can just whoop whoop easier instead of like this. And then you go round in a circle. Say, go round in a circle. Hey, in a circle. I think there's a song like that. A twist around in a circle. Song. Hey, bruh. So these are some long ass screws, peoples. Some long ass screws. Don't get a screw loose. You don't want to get a screw loose now. And you fuck around, whatever, I guess, whatever you have on top, you better make sure this thing is really sturdy before you put whatever you have on top. If you get what I'm trying to say, right? Put it on top, on my top, not on my top, but on your top. Hey, bro, I'm bored as shit right now. It's like fucking 11. I don't know. I never really do recording, so I was thinking of trying to, every time I curse, do the beep, beep. There you go. As y'all can see, Hopefully y'all can really see me, So I guess I'm gonna skip through. So I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna pause real quick. Alright, yo, we back. I don't know why. I just realized I had this little pause thing. I'm telling you, I'm in love with this freaking. If y'all know what type of thing this is, see, it's called. Now on to the next step. As y'all can see, I already screwed these in. I try to screw them in where, well, extra tight so nothing, gets scraped or nothing. This one is really well all the way in. If I can, because sometimes I kind of get scared. Hopefully it doesn't, sometimes when you're screwing in things, you just put a whole crack right in the middle, boom. And now you just effed up. Because this is like $100 thing right here. This is $100 cabinet. I don't even think that's how you call it. Next step. These long ass bars, you dig? Long ass bars. So it doesn't matter which way you put in because these hollow and they come right through it. So we're gonna put these right on top on the holes that you see. These little things right here. Hopefully I see it, these holes. Boom, let's go. Now, once you finish placing these bars where your holes are, you finish aligning them. Now you look for this. Bag number 5. Single. Now you look for bag number 5. You give me some extra screws, which is always good. 2. And all you need is 4. So hopefully when I do something later on or set up something and if I don't have screws, then I use them. So, as I can see right here, I'm gonna straight right here and then they're gonna come right here. Ow. Right now, placement, line, that way you just boom a line. And you can see the type of hole. So remember, the big one that we had put on the side, the big one, is the one you're gonna use. You already finished with the small ones. And first, always tying up by hands. Righty tighty, y'all. Righty tighty, lefty lefty. Boom. You get 3 more. I lied. I thought they gave me extra. Turned out, I needed them. I just need 2 more. Yeah, they still give me extra. 2 extra. Alright. So now I'm gonna pause this and I'm gonna finish the beginning. Alright, y'all. Everything is set. Screwed in. Now up to step number 7. Boom. Step number 7. You need 6. So look for your 6. These. Last mean all you're gonna do is just stick them in. That's it. And as y'all can see, we need G, and that is these right here. G, bitch. I need to learn how to stop those. I just keep going, boom, boom, boom. As y'all can see. Alright, so GG, boom, boom. They say first we're putting them bottom up, not up bottom, but bottom up. Right here on these 2. So basically, you just do the same thing again. It's just like a puzzle. See these holes? We got a lot of holes, in this right here. We got no holes. Alright, so you align them, and there's gonna be some holes right here also. You align, pop out, and all you need is 6 and 6. Wow, 6 and 6. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna pause, and then we're gonna be back. Welcome back, y'all. So now, as y'all can see, we finished screwing everything. Now we have a thing, and now all we need is the legs. Now you look for the legs. I'm gonna tell y'all what number. For the 7, you got the screwing legs, which is good because this thing looks short. And I am not about to get I guess a TV where you just install it up there. Yo, okay. I'm just gonna screw these in a little bit, and then yeah, because I need this to be like as tall as it can. Plus, these are carpet, so it's gonna sink in at least like half an inch or something. Well, not inches, but centimeters or something. I just hope these match. I'm screwing them like I screwed them 3 times around. 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3. So I screwed them in, but not like as much. I'm using my fingers because, as I can see, my fingers right here. I'm like, okay, you can go in. Go in right here. Stops about here. Boop. Boop. Boo, 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 boo. These are taller than that one. Stops here. Stops there. Alright. Bow. Now we about to flip it over. Flip it over. I don't want to hurt this thing. So we just step by step. Bow. I'm gonna put it right in front of here. Cause I'm telling you, man, when this Xbox X series come out, bro, he's going in somewhere right here. What I love about this, why I recommend this, because as you can see, it has the little outlet spots. Unlike some of them, I don't know. But this is my first time buying one, so I'm not gonna say like some of them. But this right here is good for only $90. I'm gonna try to put it in the middle. Boom. And don't forget, y'all.